चत्र चक्रवर्ती चत्र चक्र भुगत स्वयंभव शुभं सर्वदा सर्वजुगते.
Depression in the teachings is a blessed state. It's a stepping stone to many on their path of spirituality. And by the blessing of the Guru, by the blessing of infinite universe, whatever you want to call it, when you and I walk on the path and have an experience and recognize the depression allow us to practice, to grow, and it changes, the state of it changes for oneness, bliss, and we have the body from the lower to the higher. So depression is also sometimes considered the lower to the higher. It's a blessed state to allow us, to bless us, to practice. And then a sickness of the mind cannot be solved from the mind, because the mind cheats us and plays with us. It is solved from the spirit. To me personally, I find that they call it mental health, or there's something called, like solving the mental health or resolving. You can't solve something, a disease of the mind, from the mind. At the journey, at the end of the day, you have to go to your spirit. Let's say someone is depressed, they should carry on and seek professional help, get professional help. At some point, with the professional help, hopefully they go to their spirit too and start to practice techniques, because that conquers the mind over time. It's everybody's disease, our mind. So breath, prana, chanting, japa, and exercise are three techniques recommended by almost every spiritual path or dharma.